Hello everyone, this is Rhonda of virtueworksforyou.com, helping stay-at-home moms and women entrepreneurs grow businesses online with visual content marketing on hectic schedules with ease. And this video is called How to Create a LinkedIn Banner, LinkedIn Profile Frame, and Visual Design Tips. Okay, so if you are on LinkedIn and you are using it to build your audience and your business, then this is the video for you. And you, as you may already know, your LinkedIn profile is very important to attract your ideal audience and your ideal clients. It must be optimized in order to do so. And I am going to talk about the visual aspect of your profile, which is your LinkedIn profile banner. And I'm going to give some tips about LinkedIn frame, also the visual, some visual design tips. Now, as you see this visual here, this is a replica of how your LinkedIn banner and frame looks on your LinkedIn page. Of course, it look a little different across mobile and technological devices. So it's going to look different on your mobile phone or your Android device. It's going to look different on your desktop and your tablet. So, but since most people look at or be on social media from their mobile device, then which is your phone or tablet, then you would want to make sure that it fits correctly on your mobile, okay? First, and I'm going to give you some tips to help you with that. And at the end of the video, you can, look at these two banners and frames, and, I will reveal at the end of the video. Think about which is the correct one to you, and I will talk about at the end of the video which one is correct, okay? And so, number one, you can find templates in Canva to make a free LinkedIn profile banner. Canva is a free graphic design tool. You can keep your account free. You can go to Light or Pro. So you have different choices. But in all of them, free templates are available. You can use already existing templates, or you can create a banner from a blank canvas. You just add, which I'm coming to number two, high quality graphics and photos. And in these two frames, I added a high quality photo and just added what I needed to add as far as text and graphics go on this photo. Okay. And you can find high quality graphics and photos inside Canva itself. There's also other sites where you can find high quality graphics and photos such as Pixabay, Born Images, which are two that I use outside of Canva. Okay. And I will place those links in the comments as well. Okay, number three, you want to brand your banner. If you have your brand colors and your fonts and set up already, you already have all that established, and you need to use your color palette, your fonts, and your typography. For example, fonts and typography, bold or semi-bold fonts are preferred. For example, Abra Fat Face is bold font, which is my brand font here. And you can also use fancy fonts like Yellowtail. And if you choose, you can add your slogans and whatnot, because you need to visualize what is your brand, the name of your brand, your social media links, and just everything that's related to your brand, the name, the slogans, the color palettes. As you see, I use my color pink is one of my brand colors for this. So you need to brand your banner if possible. Okay. I know some of you may not have your brand colors and your fonts established yet. If you don't worry about it, because a lot of people establish their brand, later on when they get more established in their business. Okay, number 4, the layout. Okay, so you want to make sure that when you are creating your text for your banner, that you place your text and any logos in the middle, not too far to the left, not too far to the right, or not too far at the bottom top, because you don't want your text running off of the banner. Because if you do, when you upload it, it won't look right. You see words will be running off the banner, be cut off. For example, you could have the title up too far to the top where it's cut off. So it's best to use the model like I have in my, for example, in my YouTube thumbnail. No, it's the YouTube, it's the YouTube channel art video, where YouTube provides a template where it helps you to place your text and your logos inside the right area to fit across mobile devices, so that your text and your logos won't be running off the page a little awkward when you upload them. Now, as far as I know, LinkedIn doesn't have that. And if I do come across that later, I would do another video update. But as for right now, I'm letting you know, do not place your text and your logos too far to the left, too far to the right, too far to the bottom top. Keep it in the middle, okay? Keep the text and logos in the middle. Okay, as for the profile frame, now on LinkedIn, as you see in both of these examples that I replicated here, you have your profile frame. That's where you upload your profile picture, okay? And so that is pretty much it. So I just want to let you know that, I create these replicas to replicate the LinkedIn profile banner and frame. Now, let's talk about the correct LinkedIn profile banner and frame. Now, if you guess that A is the correct answer, you are correct, because as you see here in the profile photo frame, I have a picture of myself. And B, that's not the case. Now, it is preferred that you upload a professional photo of yourself. No photos of, items or pets, okay? Always upload a photo of yourself, because when people go to your profile, they want to see the person that is the brand and behind the brand. People work with people, okay? So it's best to put a face to your brand, okay? And as you see in B, which is the incorrect LinkedIn profile and banner, you see where it says virtual support specialist. It's running all the way behind the profile frame where you upload your photo. And see, in B is the incorrect photo. It's a photo of a desk, which I say you need a photo of yourself, okay? A professional photo of yourself, which is correct in A. And as you see, virtual support specialist is running behind the profile picture frame and the LinkedIn logo is behind it. Also, I see this as a mistake that a lot of people make with their banners. They're not, making sure. You have to be careful not to place any text or logos in the area where it would be covered up by your profile photo frame. Okay, now LinkedIn does give the option, like other social media platforms, where you can click on the banner and look at the whole banner itself. But just for good design practices, you need to make sure that your text and logos are away from your profile photo frame. Okay, and so this is it on how to create a LinkedIn banner plus LinkedIn profile frame and visual design tips. And if you like this video, thumbs it up, share it out, subscribe, and don't forget to click that notification bell symbol for alerts. And one more thing before I close out, I want to show you an example of what I'm talking about. As you see here, this is my LinkedIn profile. As you see, as I said, I kept everything away. It's in the kind of middle, like the make sure no words are running off the page, whether it's top, bottom, right, left, and nothing is obstructed by my profile picture frame. So, and also view it on your mobile and you will see what I'm talking about. So if you have done yours incorrectly, you can go back and fix it, or you can sign up so that I can help you. Sign up for a free 30-minute consultation. We can talk about how I can help you create your LinkedIn profile banner. If you don't have time to create one for yourself, I am going to offer a 30-minute free consultation where we can talk about how I can help you create a profile banner, and as a matter of fact, help you create several. So if you just so happen to want to, you get tired of your banner and you just want to change, you can change up. Okay, so for more details, I place the link in the comments. And if you have any comments, other comments or questions, place them down below in the comment section. And thank you all for watching, and I will speak to you soon.